Hey everybody, this is Scott from InternetSafetyCenter.com here. Today what we're going to do is show you how to back up your Microsoft Outlook email here. And what the version we have here is Outlook 2003. So we have it open here and everything. We have all of our emails in here and stuff like that. We got 123 in our inbox here. And so what we want to do is we want to back this up. The reason why you create a backup is, in case your computer crashes or something like that, you want to make sure you can get all your emails back. So what you're going to do is go to File and down to Import Export. Then you're going to click on Export to a File and hit Next. Then what you want to do is you want to select Personal Folder File.pst. This is the universal kind of a file format for Microsoft Outlook, and it's the best one out there. So you're going to hit Next, and now it says select the folders to export from. What you're going to want to do, as you can see by default, we only have the inbox here highlighted. So if we were to do it now, it would only actually back up the inbox. But we want to actually back up everything because we want our contacts and calendar also backed up. So we collapse this, and then it highlights personal folders. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we collapse this, and now it highlights personal folders. Now we're going to also want to check mark include subfolders. The reason you want to check mark that is because in case you have created subfolders, something like that, you're going to want those backed up also. So you're going to hit Next, and then it's the Save Exported File As. So we're going to go ahead and hit Browse here because we want to specify a location. And normally, if you're going to back this up, you're going to click on My Computer, and you're going to save it either to like a USB flash drive or an external hard drive or something like that. Don't ever store this file on your computer itself. Make sure you store it someplace else. So now what we're going to do is just put it on our desktop so we can actually look at it here. So I'm going to select Desktop, and then you go down to File Name here. What we recommend to do is, by default, it's just going to be called Backup, and that's it. We recommend actually changing that to like a email backup, or you can put My Backup. But what we want to emphasize is actually what you want to do is you want to create a name so you know when the backup was created. And as you can see here, we have 11-10-09, which actually signifies today's date. And so this is how we do our naming conventions. We call it email backup, and then we put the date, today's date, so we know the exact day when we created the email backup. So then you're just going to hit OK. Once you find your location, you'll see that change up there. Then you hit Finish. And then it says Create Microsoft Personal Folders. Name, we recommend just kind of leaving alone for now. Then encryption settings, compressible encryption is what we'd like by default. You can actually put no encryption or high encryption. That is completely up to you. And you can also specify a password if you would like. We're just going to leave everything as default here and hit OK. And so now we let this run, and it's done. And what will happen is, if you look on your desktop or wherever you've saved it here, you will see a little file like this, and you can see it says email backup and today's date. So if you right click on it, you can go ahead and click on properties, and you can look at it. It'll tell you the size of the file and where it's located and stuff like that. And it says type of file, Office data file, which is what you want. So, but that's just basically how you back up Microsoft Outlook 2003 or 2007. Again, you're going to want to save this file to a flash drive or an external hard drive. But that's the quick and easy way to actually back up your Microsoft Outlook email. Well, again, this is Scott from InternetSafetyCenter.com, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.